Push down. Okay, keep looking at the drill. Keep looking at the drill. Let me explain. The chemical energy from the drill is being transferred into rotational energy. Through frictional energy transferred to the ball, there is a little bit of loss of energy, of heat on the ball, but there's still more rotational energy. It keeps it spinning. This is going at 700. If I bought a drill which was 500 revolutions per minute, it wouldn't work. Unfortunately, gravity is still pulling it down. It's still drilling upwards. Any moment now, it could go bang. It's okay. I'm perfectly safe. As long as you're applying a force, this will keep rotating. And you've done very well because you've got it in the right direction. It's in the right plane as well, so it's not being knocked off. You're doing very, very well. If you take your fingers off, that's it. The force stops applying, but it keeps spinning. There's low friction here, so it will slowly lose angular momentum until eventually it falls off. Give her a big round of applause.